Welcome to my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about mobile agents. Mobile agents are an effective paradigm for distributed applications and are particularly attractive in a dynamic network environment involving intermittently connected devices. One of the strengths of mobile agent computing is the possibility of moving complex processing functions to the locations where huge amount of data are to be processed. Mobile transportable agents. An agent is an independent software program which runs on behalf of a network user. Mobile agent can be considered as an incremental evolution of the earlier idea of process migration. Mobile agents are an autonomous program that can move from host to host in a network, interacting with resources and other agents. A mobile agent is a program that once it is launched by a user can travel from node to node autonomously and can continue to function even if the user is disconnected from the network. Mobile agent can be considered as an incremental evolution of the earlier idea of process migration. Mobile agents are autonomous programs that can move from host to host in a network, interacting with resources and other agents. The state of the running program is saved and transported to the new host, allowing the program to continue execution from where it left off before migration. Mobile agent technologies offer several benefits over conventional client-server computing that could help improve classic distributed system design, which are usually based on the well-known remote procedure called RPC or its object-oriented equivalent, remote method invocation, RMI. This is the diagrammatic representation. Here there is database server and agent server. With the help of the wireless connection, all the users are connected. A mobile agent works on behalf of a user as it travels to multiple locations on the network. There is an agent server and file server. What is mobile agent? Programs that can migrate, where and how, performs some processing at each host. Agent decide when and where to move next, how it move on just 3 steps: save state, transport, resume. The client-server paradigm establishes a tight coupling between the client and the server. It assumes that there is no limitation in the bandwidth available between the machines as well as the presence and reliability of machines. Mobile computing is characterized by low bandwidth and the resource-constrained computer they operate on. The intrinsic properties of mobile agent technologies like mobility and autonomy present solution to this scenario. Agent mobility permits the optimization of the connection time required between mobile terminal and the network, and autonomy permits asynchronicity between user actions and agent performed tasks. A mobile agent dissected. Code state attribute. Program is written in a suitable language to define the behavior of agent. State: set the internal variables, resume its activity after moving to another host. Attributes: information describing the agent, its origin, owner, history of its movement, and authentication key. These are the detailed modules of any mobile agent. The scenario describes the use of mobile agent in providing middleware services. It provides portable devices with both traditional and new location dependent web services. It provides any portable devices with an mobile agent based companion called the shadow proxy and with application specific mobile agent based processors called service adapters. Any node hosts at least one place for agent execution. Domains abstraction group several places and correspond to either fixed or wireless network locality. In each domain, a default place is in charge of inter-domain routing. Each domain is provided with a local discovery service with inter-domain visibility scope to enhance scalability in large-scale deployment scenario. Advantages of mobile agent. There are different advantages of mobile agent over traditional or client-server model. Some of them include: they allow efficient and economical use of communication channel that may have low bandwidth, high latency, and may be error prone. In distributed system, performing a simple job involves multiple interactions resulting in increased network traffic. In mobile paradigm, the objective is to move the computation to the data rather than the data to the computation, thus consuming fewer network resources and thereby increasing efficiency. They enable the use of portable, low-cost personal communication devices to perform complex tasks even when the device is disconnected from the network. Management of critical real-time system with substantial size network create latencies which are unacceptable. Deployment of mobile agent will overcome this problem since these agents can execute locally upon the central controller's direction. Mobile agents allow asynchronous operation and true decentralization. For jobs that require continuous open connection, deployment of mobile agent will result in cost saving. Mobile agent with embedded task can be dispatched into the network where they operate independently and asynchronously. Often, as new communication protocols which improve efficiency and security emerge, businesses need to upgrade their protocol, otherwise they turn into a legacy problem. This whole process is cumbersome. Mobile agent will resolve this problem as they can migrate to a remote host and establish channel based on proprietary protocol. Mobile agent can perceive the surrounding environment and can act dynamically. Both from the perspective of hardware and software, network companies are heterogeneous. Mobile agent can provide seamless system integration since they are dependent only on those environments in which they execute. Since mobile agent can act and react dynamically in presence of unfavorable condition, it is easy to build a robust and fault tolerant distributed system with mobile agents. Basic architecture: an agent server process runs on each participating host. Participating hosts are networked through links that can be low bandwidth and unreliable. An agent is a serializable object whose execution state can be frozen for transportation and reconstituted upon arrival at a remote site. Shadow proxies are application dependent middleware component that represent portable devices on the fixed network. Each mobile device is associated with a shadow proxy. Service adapters are application specific middleware component in charge of performing data transformation depending on use or device proxies. Several different adapters can concurrently operate for one single shadow proxy to carry on parallel requests from the same portable device. Service adapters are mobile agent that follow their shadow proxies movement. This is the diagram of the basic architecture. Here mobile agent, agent server and agent server host is present. What is an agent? An agent is an object, hence it contains state data and method. Among the instance data is an itinerary of the sites to be visited, which may be dynamically constructed or adjusted. Other data may include an agent ID or other authentication data. The agent's behavior at each stop can be pre-programmed and dynamically adjusted. Events in mobile agent. Creation. A brand new agent is born and its state is initialized. Cloning. A twin agent is born and the current state of the original is duplicated in the clone. Dispatch. An agent travels to a new host. Deactivation. An agent is put to sleep and its state is saved in persistent storage. Activation. A deactivated agent is brought back to life and its state is restored from persistent storage. Retraction. An agent is brought back from a remote host along with its state to the home machine. Disposal. An agent is terminated and its state is lost forever. Communication. Notifies the agent to handle messages incoming from other agent, which is the primary means of inter-agent correspondence. Why mobile agent? There are several reasons because to choose mobile agent. They reduce the network load, they overcome network latencies, they encapsulate protocol, they adapt dynamically, they execute asynchronously and autonomously. They are natural, heterogeneous, they are fault tolerant. Now, several applications and benefits from the use of mobile agent technology is present, like electronic commerce, personal assistance, secure broking, distributed information retrieval, telecommunication network services, workflow application and groupware, monitoring and notification, information dissemination, parallel processing. Mobile agent can provide exemplify the internet push model and can distribute information such as news and software update for vendor. The agents carry the upgrades and installation procedures directly to the user's personal computer and without any user's intervention update and manages the software on computer. Mobile agent applications in information retrieval. Different types of informations are retrieved with the help of mobile agent application. Like an agent can help the user to perform tasks on a remote host regardless of whether or not user is connected to network. For instance, to schedule a meeting, a user can dispatch a mobile agent onto the network to interact with agents belonging to other user. The agent can negotiate with other agent the convenient time for all of the users and can schedule a meeting. Mobile agent technology provides efficient information retrieval when dealing with large amount of data rather than moving all the data to search engine to create search indexes. Monitoring, virtual marketplace or meeting room, and shareware. As a local representative for remote services, an agent can perform tasks on behalf of a user irrespective of whether or not user is connected to network. Mobile agent technology can provide administration for parallel processing tasks also. If a communication requires large amount of processing power so as it to distribute it among multiple processors, mobile agent can help get the process out there. Then mobile agents they help in virtual marketplace. It is an attractive solution to brokering, particularly in context of untrustworthy collaborators. In such a situation, the interested parties can let the agent meet and negotiate at a mutually agreed, impartial, secure host and form alliance. Mobile agent in Java. A mobile agent in Java is called an egglet, lightweight agent. Why use Java? Due to its several features like platform independence, create once, go anywhere, due to its low price, free toolkits which is known as ASDK, and host can provide an environment for the egglet to execute within. Security in mobile agent system. Security concern is the primary deterrent of deploying the mobile agent technologies. There are several concerns for the agent host and the mobile agent. Like agent host concerns are malicious, unauthorized agent can misuse and destroy system resources like worm. Security is one of the major challenges that need to be considered in the implementation of mobile agent. One of the properties of mobile agent is that it can roam on an genetic network and can execute its code on a foreign server system. This property also makes it vulnerable to malicious attack from other agents and users. There are two broad areas in mobile agent security: protection of host node from malicious agent and protection of agent from destructive host. Agent concern: malicious host can destroy or alter an agent's logic. Example, malicious agent's route can be altered. It is much more difficult to protect an agent from malicious host than to protect a host from malicious agent. Since hosts execute the malicious agent, they can see the agent's code and data. Hence it makes easier for the host to tamper the agent's code or terminate them. Some of the ways to protect the agent from the host including limiting the amount of confidential data supplied to the agent, routing them in secure zone, use of cryptographic algorithm or tamper-proof hardware, enforcing good host behavior, etc. However, employing some of these techniques may compromise the concept of open mobile agent system. Measures like authentication, encryption, resource access. An agent must authenticate itself to the host and an agent server must authenticate itself to agent. Encryption: an agent encrypts its sensitive data. Resource access: a host enforces strict access control to its resources. Current areas of work: mobile agent theory, PI calculus extensions, mobile ambients, agent itineraries. Mobile agent model: some component based and AI based agent models are studied. Mobile agent infrastructure is also a current area of work as it supports environment supporting mobile agent, security, naming, domain crossing, etc. Mobile agent programming like languages, toolkits, abstraction. Mobile agents application, mobile agent standard like ONGs, MASIF, FIPA. Thank you for watching.